Hello, guys. We're going to work on adding fractions some more, look at a little closer at how that works. So you guys have this paper on Kami. So what I want you to do is have this open and the video, and then you can listen to me and fill this out at the same time. So what this is what you're going to do, or what you would have done in small groups, which is what I want you guys to focus on today. So adding fractions. So the first thing here is, what if the denominators are the same? Okay, that's important. What if the denominators are the same? Well, if the denominators are the same, it's really pretty simple. You're going to add the numerators and leave the denominator the same. So remember, the numerator's up top, denominator's on the bottom. So this is how I do it. I'll show you an example here. And you can copy this down on your Kami when you're done, okay? So what I'm going to do is, let's say I have 5 over 8 plus 2 over 8. I automatically know that since these denominators are the same, my answer will have that same denominator. Nothing changes. So I can just go ahead and put that over. Don't even think about adding it, just move it over. Now we add. What you're going to add is your numerators, the top part here. Numerators. So you're going to do 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7/8. So it's a really simple example. So just go ahead and copy that down on yours so you have a copy of that. Then you're going to try. So if you need to, go ahead and pause it, solve these 4, and then I'm going to go over the answers. So go ahead and pause now. Okay, now let's go over the answers. So this first one, 6 plus 10 over 4, 6 14th plus 10 14th is 16 over 14. Bottom stays the same. All right, 2 plus 5 over 8. You got 8 on the bottom and 7 up top. 4 sevenths plus 5 sevenths is 9 sevenths. And 9 tenths plus 8 tenths is 17 tenths. All right, so you might notice some of those are improper, meaning the top number is higher. So improper would be that one, and that one. Those are all improper fractions. What that means is the top number, the numerator, is bigger than the denominator. We'll get to that more later. But now, the next thing is, what if it's a mixed number? What do I do? Well, that's awfully simple as well. You add the whole number, then add the fractions. Okay? Pretty simple. Add the whole number, add the fractions. Let me show you what a whole number, or what a mixed number looks like. So a mixed number would be something like 3 wholes and 1/6. That's a mixed number because it's a mixture of a whole number and a fraction. So if I add those, it's going to look something like this. 3 and 1/6 plus 2 and 1/6 equals 5, because I add my whole numbers. This plus that equals that. And then I'll add my fractions and get 3/6. Okay? So what you need to do now is show me an example. I want to see what it looks like to add mixed numbers. So there's my example. You can use that as a reference. And then you're going to put your example right here. So go ahead and pause if you need to. Get that written down, and then we're going to move on. When you're done, you can unpause and see what we're doing next. All right, welcome back. Now, you're going to write a story problem that involves adding 2 fractions. Bonus if they're mixed numbers. So what I want you to do is, using Kami, you can type down here if you want. That might be easier than anything. And write me a story problem. I want a real life story problem that involves adding 2 fractions. So it might be something like Mr. Benson drank 4¼ cups of coffee this morning. Miss Markello drank 2¼ cups of coffee. How much total coffee did they drink? So that would be a real life example, okay, using fractions. So write something like there. You can use things around your house, your brothers, sisters, moms, dads, aunts, uncles, whatever. Make me a story problem. So you can pause, get that done. Now, you're going to solve your problem. So solve your problem in the work box down here. Show me how you found the answer. Now, grading neighbors, we're not going to be able to do that, but I'll try and give you guys a chance to do that when you get back. So skip this part for now. And then you guys are done. So that concludes our lesson. Hopefully you filled this out as you go. My goal is going to be to print this off, and then I can put it in a folder here for you. So if you have questions, let me know, and have a good day. You guys make sure you do your other parts of your e-learning, which are on Google Classroom. Good job, guys.